I will never forget when I got a call from my good friend Bill's wife on a Sunday morning that he had been in a terrible car accident on I-20. Bill was going to work Sunday morning, and out of nowhere, some guy hit him from behind while he was traveling in the middle lane. Bill's car was forced head-on into the median, and his car was completely turned around, facing oncoming traffic. The only good thing, or lucky thing that happened for Bill, is he wasn't hit again, and that there were witnesses that saw what happened, stopped and called the police, and he got immediate medical attention. When Bill got to the emergency room, he was unconscious. He had multiple injuries, and as the day went by, doctors were discovering all kinds of problems he was having medically. He had a broken tibia bone. He had a fractured wrist. He had broken ribs. The list kept going on. His family was devastated by what had happened. About the only good thing that happened that day, or the only fortunate thing for Bill, was that there were witnesses at the scene of the accident that were able to tell the police what had happened. They explained that the driver had left the scene, leaving Bill alone after this tragic accident. We were able to later track down these witnesses and help Bill file a claim under his uninsured motorist coverage. Bill was out of work for several months, had to have physical therapy, and fortunately for Bill, he had high levels of uninsured motorist coverage to cover him for this horrendous accident. There are two important lessons to take from this tragic story. One, you never know when someone can hit you and leave the scene of the accident. It's so critical to try to track down witnesses or talk to somebody that may have seen what had happened. And number two, it's so critical to carry high levels of uninsured motorist coverage in the event you're in a terrible accident such as this.